This is the Rud Virtual Reality Training Program.
In the virtual world, you have access to all the tools you need to complete your task in a safe environment. By pressing the front trigger, we activate the teleporter. We point it someplace in the ground, release it, and teleport right where we pointed it. On the inner side of the controller, we have the grab trigger. We hover our hand on an object and press the grab trigger to hold it. The objects also have physics, so they behave similarly to real-world objects. You'll get a toolbox and a step-by-step guide on how to complete the task. Learn process and physical calibration through state-of-the-art physics systems. Machine and learning simulations are produced by converting CAD data into a life-size training program. Virtual training saves students hundreds of hours and reduces machine downtime thousands of hours. Get started today.